Right. Meanwhile, more breaking news as well coming in this hour to receive central grants, despite UGC informing investigators that Al Falah did not hold the approval. Gulshan Grover is live with us on this big story. Gulshan, certain technical discrepancies have also come to light regarding this university.
इसको मेडिकल यूनिवर्सिटी में तब्दील किया गया और कितने इस पे अथॉरिटी दी, इस पर तमाम जो इन्वेस्टिगेशन है वो इस समय चल रही है। हालांकि इस पर जो हरियाणा की स्वास्थ्य मंत्री है उन्होंने साफ तौर से कहा है कि ये हायर एजुकेशन का मामला है, हालांकि ये स्वास्थ्य विभाग का मामला नहीं है। फिर भी जिसने भी इसको हाईकोर्ट से जो है इसकी अनुमति मिली थी, ऐसा भी जो जानकारी है वो मिली है। लेकिन अभी तक जो जांच एजेंसियां जो भी जांच कर रही हैं उसमें से कुछ ही अपडेट्स जो है वो बाहर आ रहे हैं, लेकिन तमाम जब पूरी जांच पूरी हो जाएगी उसके बाद ये साफ तौर से पता चलेगा कि इस अल फलाह यूनिवर्सिटी में कैसे व्हाइट कॉलर टेरर जो है वो बन रहे थे और देश में किस तरीके से दंगों को ये फैलाना चाहते थे। क्योंकि जो दिल्ली में दंगा हुआ था, जैसा सहयोगी बता रहे थे कि इनकी ये साजिश यहां तक ही नहीं थी, बल्कि ऐसे कई ठिकानों पर इनकी साजिश थी जहां पर ये बड़ा हमला करना चाहते थे। चाहे वो दिल्ली के कनॉट प्लेस की बात हो या दिल्ली का कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन क्लब की बात हो या मेट्रो स्टेशन की बात हो, एयरपोर्ट की बात हो या रेलवे स्टेशन की बात हो या वो भीड़ भाड़ वाला इलाका जो इन्होंने चुना हुआ था जहां पर एक साथ कई लोग मारे जा सके। क्योंकि जो डॉक्टर उमर था जब I-20 गाड़ी को लेकर वो लाल किले जा रहा था तो वो फरीदाबाद के रास्ते बदरपुर से होते हुए गया था, यानी उसको ये भनक लग गई थी कि डॉक्टर मुजम्मिल और डॉक्टर साइन साजिद को जब जम्मू कश्मीर पुलिस ने गिरफ्तार
that we've seen some about 15 doctors missing, 3 doctors already in the custody of the security agencies, and the founders, very shady past has also come to light ever since that blast had taken place where 12 people had tragically lost their lives. Now reports are stating that once all the documents are in fact examined and investigated and they are in fact perused through, then the police will move to then trace Al Falah's funding channels. And this is something, remember, NewsX had raised in the very first day that the attack had taken place. If you remember the conversation that our editor-in-chief, Mr. Gulati, was having with our guests on the day of the attack, he pointed out the fact that the website was itself showcasing that its funding was not very clear. There were some foreign sources. Police may also be brought in order to sort of take a look at where exactly has this university been receiving its funding from, because a lot of people can say maybe it is coincidence that so many people in this particular university are under the lens, but who knows what's been going on behind the scenes, and why is it that 3 doctors plus 15 who are missing are now linked to this particular terror case that has taken place, in which 12 people have lost their lives.
All right, more breaking news, in fact, also now coming in as the probe into the Al Falah University intensifies. Reports are suggesting that the EPFO ESIC filings of the trust and other entities are inconsistent with reported scale of operations and overlapping of directors' signatories and weak KYC trails across entities, instances of minimal salary dispersal through banking channels, absence of HR records, synchronized incorporation patterns and common contact coordinates across firms have been in fact detected now as well. Pia Mann continues to be with us on this story. Pia, many inconsistencies have emerged which now the agencies are looking at. The EPFO, ESIC filings all seem inconsistent.
Indeed, you know, Uday, our colleague Javed Hussain, he'll be joining us very, very shortly. We do have him on the phone line. We'll take him very, very soon as well. But he's forwarded this piece of news. Javed has told us that reports now state that the EPFO and ESIC filings of the trust that funds this university and other such entities are now inconsistent with the reported scale of operations. So their filings that they have made regarding the operations are not consistent with the actual scale of the operations that are taking place. So there is some sort of a monetary incongruence that has now in fact been witnessed. There are overlapping directors, signatories, weak KYC trails. Know your customer trails are very, very important. That is of course a very crucial procedure.
यानी कि ऐसा लग रहा है जावेद की दाल में कुछ काला था। एजेंसी क्या अब इसकी तफ्तीश कर रही है? कुछ और इस वक्त बड़ी जानकारी हमें मिल रही है। न्यूज़ एक्स has accessed the first